Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all my viewers and my dear students. I welcome you all in my surgery online class. Today I will take a very brief account on the topic lymphoma. Firstly, I would like to differentiate with the topic leukemia as many students get confused. Leukemia is a condition where there is proliferation of hematopoietic cells of the bone marrow. There is malignant growth and too much multiplication, and this cells then spill into the blood. Whereas lymphoma is a cancer of lymphatic system, which is a part of body's germ fighting network. The lymphatic system includes the lymph nodes, lymph glands, spleen, thymus gland and bone marrow. Lymphoma can affect all those areas as well as other organs throughout the body. Or we can say lymphoma is a cancer of lymphocytes, which are infection fighting cells of the body's lymphatic system. So at the time of infection, especially viral infections like Epstein-Barr virus or HIV, the infection gets trapped into the lymph nodes. In this picture, the pink portion of the lymph node is medulla that contains sinuses, blood vessels and medullary cords. This medullary cords contains antibody secreting plasma cells. These germ-fighting cells or lymphocytes get activated during the time of infection. But infections like HIV or Epstein-Barr virus, or in case of hereditary lymphoma, when there is history of lymphoma, then their lymphocytes become abnormal and grow out of control. There is continuous cancer cell division and proliferation that doesn't get stopped. These cells can travel to different parts of the body. Often the abnormal cells collect in small bean-shaped organs called lymph nodes. This causes the lymph node to swell. Lymphomas can be termed as an clonal proliferation of lymphoid cells of various degree of maturity within a single organ, or we could say it a cancer of the lymphatic system. Lymphoma may be nodal, that is 2/3 of lymphomas which arise from lymph nodes, or lymphomas can be extranodal when they arise from spleen, skin, stomach, intestine, mediastinum or the brain. Now let's come to the classification of lymphomas. The main types include Hodgkin's lymphoma and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Non-Hodgkin's lymphoma is further categorized into B-cell lymphoma and T-cell lymphoma. There are also other types of lymphomas. In clinical manifestations, the primary and the classical manifestation is the painful swellings of the lymph nodes, particularly of the region cervical, armpit and groin. There is fever, fatigue, night sweats, itching of the skin, weight loss, and also headache, dizziness, abdominal pains, diarrhea and vomiting. In diagnosis, patient should be recommended for bone marrow biopsy, CT scan, PET scan and other imaging tests. In treatment of lymphoma include chemotherapy, immunotherapy, radiation therapy and bone marrow transplant.